3GB English Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to chat with friends online in English with confidence and ease. Have you ever felt nervous or unsure about what to say in a comment or message? Don't worry. In this lesson, I'll teach you some simple and natural English phrases that you can use every day while chatting online. We'll cover how to start a conversation, comment on posts, reply to messages, and end a chat politely. These phrases will help you sound more natural and friendly in English. So, let's get started. When you want to start a conversation with a friend online, it's important to use friendly and natural phrases. A simple, "Hey, how's your day going?" or "Hi, what's up?" can be a great way to begin. If you haven't talked in a while, you can say, "Hello. Long time no see. How have you been?" to reconnect. Another great way to start a chat is by mentioning something from their post, like, "Hey, I saw your post. That looks amazing." This makes the conversation more engaging and personal. For example, if you text, "Hey, how's your day going?" your friend might reply, "Hey, it's going great. How about you?" See how easy and natural that sounds. Now, let's move on to commenting on posts. Commenting on social media posts is a great way to engage with friends and show your interest. If someone shares a nice picture, you can say, "Wow, you look great," or "Such a beautiful view," to compliment them. For funny posts, you can respond with, "Haha, this is so funny," or "Lol, I can't stop laughing," to show your reaction. If you see something impressive, try saying, "Awesome, you're so talented," or "This is amazing. Keep it up." Compliments and positive comments help keep conversations going and make your interactions more meaningful. For example, if a friend posts a picture of a beach, you can comment, "Wow, the place looks beautiful. Where is this?" This encourages them to reply and keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Now, let's move on to replying to messages. Replying to messages in a friendly and natural way helps keep the conversation going. If someone asks, "How are you?" you can respond with, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" or "Doing great. Hope you're doing well too," to keep the chat open. When someone compliments you, a simple, "Thank you. That means a lot," or "You're so kind," is a great way to show appreciation. If your friend shares good news, you can reply with, "That's awesome. Congrats," or "Wow, I'm so happy for you," to celebrate with them. For example, if a friend messages you, "Hey, I just got a new job," a great reply would be, "That's amazing. Congratulations. Wishing you all the best." Simple and positive responses make online conversations more enjoyable. Now, let's see how to end a chat politely. Ending a chat politely is just as important as starting one. It helps maintain a friendly connection and leaves a good impression. If you need to go, you can say, "I have to go now, but let's chat again soon." Or, "It was great talking to you. Take care." If it's late, you can say, "I should get some rest. Talk to you tomorrow." Or, "Good night. Have a great day ahead." For a casual ending, try, "Catch you later," or "Talk soon." For example, if you've been chatting for a while and need to leave, you can say, "I really enjoyed our chat. Let's talk again soon. Take care." This keeps the conversation positive and open for the next time. Now you know how to chat with friends online in a natural and polite way. That's it for today. Now, you know how to chat with friends online in English with confidence. Try using these phrases in real conversations and see how easy it is to connect with others. Practice in the comments below by starting a chat, commenting on a post, or replying to a message. Let's improve together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.